Hi, today we're going to be talking about how to extract or download the email addresses for your email accounts. And I'm going to be showing you how I do it for my accounts, Yahoo and Gmail. And if you have other email accounts like Hotmail or whatnot, it's very similar. You just go to the contact area, usually it's the top right, and go from there. So I'm going to be doing step by step for the Yahoo and Gmail. And also you can do this very similar to with your social media marketing account. So that would be, for me, it would be LinkedIn and Facebook. I was able to do it very successfully last year. It is July of 2021, so July of 2020, I was able to do it. However, there have been changes lately, and I'm going to show you how I do it on Facebook and LinkedIn. And maybe when you do it, maybe the end of 2021, you would be actually get the CSV file for all the contacts. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So just in case later on, you'll be able to do it. I think what is going on with Facebook and LinkedIn is that very recently there have been security breaches, and people have had their data stolen. So maybe that's why Facebook and LinkedIn are not providing contact information right now, or the email addresses, but I will actually give you the step-by-step instruction, so just in case it's available. So let's begin. So right now we are in my Yahoo account, and so I will demonstrate how to extract the email addresses from Yahoo. So go to the right, bring your cursor to the right of your screen until you see this person icon with 4 lines on the right. So if you hover over it, it's blue. If you're not hovering over it, it is gray. And this here is your contacts icon. So click on that. And you should be able to see your list of contacts, right? If you scroll down, you'll see it. And then go to the far right of that, and you see 3 little dots. Click on the dots and select export to CSV file. And that's it. So do that. And then when you go to extract your CSV file, I really highly recommend that you change the file name right away, because it seems to be that all these emailing platforms, Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, all, when you download the contact file, the files are named contacts.csv. So be sure when you download those names, for instance, quickly change those file names to maybe Yahoo contacts.csv, so you know those files don't overwrite one another. And so that's your contact, and next we'll go on to Gmail. So see you there. Hi, so now we are in my Gmail account, and we will extract the names from my Gmail account and whatnot. So let's get going. So right here on the far right, bring your cursor on the far right, and then you see these pictured icons, these colored icons. Go to the 4th icon here. There is a blue circle with a person in white. That's your contacts. So click on contacts, and you would see a list of names here. This is a new Gmail account I have, so I only have 473 contacts. But if you've been using Gmail for a long time, for like, you know, maybe decades or 2 decades, you probably have bigger contact list. So it looks like this. You'll see a whole bunch of your contacts if you scroll down. However, to get the email addresses into a CSV file, you would need to go to this square with an up arrow diagonally to the right. So that square with the up arrow diagonally to the right, click on that. You come to this screen and you'll see a whole bunch of, you know, your contacts. I guess somehow these I have phone numbers, which is amazing. They all have phone numbers. Interesting. Cool. Anyways, I'll come to the left of my screen and go down mostly to the bottom and find the export button. It's right here. So click export, and then you'll get a contacts.csv file. And again, I highly recommend you rename that contacts.csv file and change it to, you know, maybe Gmail contacts.csv, because all of these emailing platforms have the same file names, contacts.csv. So when you're downloading from multiple email accounts, you're probably overriding one another. So change the file name as quickly as you can, and there goes your contacts list. Now I highly recommend, I set this in the last account, email these, you know, pick 20 names to email and do a soft sell on them, and hopefully they will allow you to enter their email address into your emailing marketing campaign. So that's that. And next we'll be going to social media accounts. So we will be looking at Facebook. So see you in the next video. Okay, here we are in my Facebook account. Right here is my personal profile, and I will be downloading the email addresses from my friends list, and also the email address from my followers. Right here, you can see my friends list is 3,477. I never tried to figure out who my followers are, but I can still download their information, who they are. And once you download them, about 10% of these people will have email addresses that they have made public. So you can email them directly if they have made it public. So we'll do that. So I come to the top hand corner of your Facebook profile, and on the top right, there looks like a down arrow of some kind or a down triangle. And if you hover over it, it says account. So click on account icon, and then you will come to settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Bring your mouse down. The first selection is called settings. Click on settings. And it would look something like this. So move your cursor to the far left. And the third option is your Facebook information. And click on your Facebook information. And you have all these information here. Download your information. So come to the middle of your screen and select download your information. Comes to here, and these are multiple things that you can download. So there's a lot here. I really don't care about messages. I don't care about my polls. All I care about are the email addresses of my friends and my followers. So I'm going to go and deselect all because I don't want all these information. I just want the contact information. I don't want anything else like pictures, posts, nothing like that. So what I'm going to do is deselect all, and I'm going to scroll down and select just what I want. So let me see. I'm going to select profile information, your contact information in your profile, about, hobbies. Is that it? Oh no, friends and followers. Under friends and followers, select friends and followers contact. So that would be your friends on Facebook, friend requests, friends you see more and see less, friends you follow, and people who follow you. So the list is more than I thought it would be. So anybody who had a friend who requested me as a friend, people I follow and the people who follow me, so I can get those information as well of who they are. And about 10% of these people would have had, approximately 10, would have had their email address set as public, so I can use it. So I select that, come up to the very top, scroll back up, and let's see. I will just create file. Click create file, and what would happen is you'll get a message saying a copy of information is being created. It takes a while, and what would happen is in, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 minutes, you will get in your email account, the account that you use to sign up for Facebook, you will get information how to access your contact information, or your friends information, your followers information, who you follow. And it seems like people who've actually requested you to be friends. So so don't check your email that you've used to sign up for the Yahoo account. And just a reminder, don't enter people into your emailing marketing system without permission. So use your email account to ask them or do a soft sale on them, soft sell for whatever that you need, and ask permission to enter into your email account or emailing campaign or marketing tool. So next we'll be going to LinkedIn, and we'll see you there. Bye. Okay, so now we're in LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn account, and we will extract all my, what do you call it, contacts. What do you call it here? Is it called contacts? I don't know. I don't use LinkedIn very much, but I'm just, for the purposes of this exercise, I will extract my connections. That's what it's called. My connections email address, if they have decided to make their email address public. So only about 10%, but that's better than nothing. So what I'm going to do again is click on the me right here. So you see a picture of me. Oh, that would be a picture of you, but on the word me, click on me here. and go down, and where settings and privacy is, click on settings and privacy. And let me see what there is. Okay, so get a copy of your data. See your options for accessing a copy of your data, account data, and connections, and more. This sounds like it. Oh, so I click on the more, and you'll get more options under get a copy of your data. And I don't want to download everything. I just want connections. That's it. My connections. And I request an archive. It says your download will be ready in about 10 minutes. So request archive. And so in about 10 minutes, go into the email address that you used to sign up in LinkedIn, and there would be instructions of what to do. Most likely, I think it was a CSV file. So remove any columns that you need to remove, any rows, contacts that are irrelevant, whatnot, and just get the email addresses of the people that you want to email. Just a reminder, just recommended to send 20 email addresses, or send 20 emails from your email account to do a soft sell instead of just directly entering them into your emailing marketing campaign. So that's it. Hopefully this was very useful. And thank you, and see you in the next video.